Oh, that freaking, oh, holy shish kebab. Oh my gosh. What's up guys, Eric with Hook Off the Grid. I'm out here on a section of river that I hadn't fished in a while, and you probably can't see it, but up ahead they had built a fence across the river, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to fish it. I just got out here and I'm seeing that, so I'm just going to go up and down, and if we can't fish it, we'll get out of here and go find somewhere else. Ooh, got one. Heck yeah, boy. Well, at least the spot wasn't too much of a bust. Oh, gosh dang it. Son of a gun. All right guys, so that didn't pan out like I wanted it to. As you saw, there was a fence across the river and I'm by myself and didn't want to risk get in a fight with a landowner or argument or anything like that. I'd rather just go fish another section of the river, deal with that another day. There's plenty of fish to be caught along this river, so hang with me. I'm gonna hit a new spot, see if we can find some. One more thing guys, if you're ever doing a river run, make sure to bring extra water and extra water for your extra water. I normally carry around a gallon jug with me along with my life straw, so if I run out of that gallon, I have a backup plan. Well, I'm going camping this weekend. Just so happens I packed that, well, it's not a live straw, it's my squeeze bottle that I've done a review over. Kind of like a live straw, basically it works. And yeah, it's back at home with my camping gear, and my gallon just busted. Fell on the floor and busted. So I'm out here in 88-degree weather, it's hot, dragging the yak, and I'm already a little bit thirsty. I don't know if I might have to run back to town because you don't want to be dehydrated out on a river. That's for dang sure, so we'll see how long I last out here. I may just hit another spot and head home and call it quits, but anyway guys, like I said, be sure to pack extra water for the extra water you brought, or just bring a live straw or something like that. Anyways, we'll see you on the water. Holy cow guys, look at that bass. Oh my gosh, there's some nice bass right here, right in front of me. Jeez. He's looking at it. I think they see me though. Okay, we're going after those perch. They're feeding up is what they're doing. Holy crap, that's a big freaking... Oh, those are some nice bass. Oh, that freaking... Oh, holy shish kebab. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh, he is ripping drag, guys. That is insane. Look at my pole. It is bent the freak over. I had a feeling that dang thing was gonna destroy the working class zero. Son of a gun. He's got my pole bent over, ripping out freaking drag like crazy. Holy crap, guys. If we land him, this is gonna make for a sick pick. Oh, here he comes. Oh shoot, check that out, boys. Oh gosh, no, 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 no. Come back, come back, come back. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, come here. Yes, oh yeah. Holy shish kebabs. Son of a freaking boys. Gee. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna get a weight on this catfish. This thing is freaking massive. So I'm gonna try to weigh him. Hopefully this scale will hold it. I have no clue. I just know that thing is huge. We are zeroed out. Oh god dang. He is coming in at 26.13. 26 pounds, 13 ounces. Holy crap. That thing is huge, boys. You gotta get a weight one more time. Make sure. Alright. Zeroed out. Let's go. Get that thing off here. Hold on. Son of a gun. Okay. Let's go. It's holding at 26.11. God dang, boys. 26 pounds. Son of a gun. That is the biggest fish I've ever personally caught on rod and reel. Freaking insane. Now, you guys know I hate keeping fish, but like I said earlier, my grandma always asked me to keep a catfish if I ever catch one. So I'm keeping this one for her. She's gonna have a lot of meat. What is up, guys? So I completely forgot to do an outro on that video. I was so excited to catch that catfish. That was my new PB on rod and reel, 26.13 pounds. Freaking insane fight. Like I told all my buddies, I said, guys, when I hooked onto that catfish, I swear, I was like, it felt like 5 minutes, which really, if you watch the video, it's probably like 1 minute and 40 seconds tops for that fight. Still insane. I've never had anything rip out drag like that. Oh, so incredible. I wish I could feel that same feeling. It was insane. But guys, if you've ever caught a catfish, what is your PB? Comment down below. Let me know what your PB is, if you've ever caught a catfish like that, or anything crazy that you didn't expect, something just, I mean, it scared the heck out of me, I'm not gonna lie. When it hit, I was just like, oh my gosh. But anyways, guys, again, I appreciate the love, appreciate you tuning in. I'm trying to get my videos rolling again. I've had these stacked up for a while, and I'm gonna keep rolling, man. I'm gonna keep trying to do this and keep pumping them out. So appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And peace. We will catch you guys on the next one.